Good morning, I am Virgilio P. Casillo III, a BS Physical Therapy student of Our Lady of Fatima University, Valenzuela, conducting a survey on the work opportunities and responsibilities of physical therapists. Your cooperation in answering the survey will be highly appreciated. Thank you very much. We are here at Mansalapos Clinic, and together with, please introduce yourself po.
Hello, good morning. I'm Shania Sinayalong. I'm currently working at Mansalapos PT Clinic. I graduated at Pamantasan ng lungsod ng Maynila on the year 2020. But as of now, I'm currently working as a clinician here in our clinic.
So, moving on na po tayo sa question number 1. Question number 1 po. What motivated you to pursue physical therapy as undergraduate course?
Initially, maganda daw kasi siyang pre-med course. So, dati kasi gusto ko sanang mag-med. But, so many things happened. So, yeah. Maganda daw siyang pre-med course. So, that motivated me, that one. Pero, for now, I'm happy experiencing my field, which is PT.
So, question number 2 po. Did you have any difficulty finding a job after graduation?
Yes.
Please explain your answer.
Pandemic year kami graduate. So, mahirap maghanap ng job. At the same time, parang almost 2 years. 2 years na delay yung board exam namin. So, after noon, medyo mahirap maghanap ng work. Specifically, if gusto mong mag-work in a public hospital. Because marami kang dapat pagdaanan bago ka makapag-work sa hospital. So, siguro yun yung medyo mahirap kung gusto mo yung hospital base ka mag-work. Pero clinically, kung gusto mo clinic, medyo okay naman siya. Mas madali.
Question number 3 po. What were your work experiences prior to your current job? Why did you decide to change jobs or employers?
Ang first work ko is private hospital. Nag-work ako doon for a few months. Pero, nag-shift ako into clinic kasi parang practically as a PT, hindi siya ganong, kumbaga hindi nako-compensate ng hospital yung pagod mo. Naglipat ako ng clinic, which is less toxic, mas okay yung work environment, at the same time, yung patient load, okay naman.
So, sa question number 4 na po tayo. What are your work responsibilities in the company? Please explain each work responsibility.
Ang main job ko lang naman dito sa clinic is a physical therapist. So, first, syempre, kailangan sa patient, magaling ka mag-history taking. At the same time, assessment-wise and evaluation, dapat magaling ka. Kasi, para ka na rin, clinician ka talaga. Kasi, sasabihin ng patient sa'yo yung mga kung ano nangyari sa kanya. So, from there, mag-make ka ng diagnosis sa sarili mo. Pero, syempre, kailangan pa rin natin ng referral ng doktor. So, susunod lang tayo sa referral nila. So, from there, doon na tayo ma-base kung ano yung bibigay nating treatment sa patient.
So, question number 5 po. What are the personal qualities and skills required for you to efficiently carry out your job?
Siguro yung personal quality is, mahalaga kasi yung rapport sa patient. At the same time, yung trust nila sa'yo. So, basically, kailangan marunong ka in explanation. At the same time, yung i-build mo yung rapport sa patient para mag-trust siya sa'yo during treatment. So, at the same time, patients din. Siyempre, may mga patient na hindi naman lahat pare-pareho ng ugali. Yeah, ng qualities. At the same time, so kailangan patient ka rin sa kanila.
Question number 6 po. Do you think your college education has adequately prepared you to efficiently perform your job? Yes or no?
I think yes. Oo. Isa ako sa maswerte na natapos ko yung clinical rotations hospitals for 10 months. Iba kasing batch na tele-rehab lang yung ginawa. So, medyo clinically hindi ganun ka prepared. Pero sa school naman namin, yes, I think. Very. Talaga ni-ready nila kami.
For your question number 7 naman po, do you find all your college subjects useful in your job? Yes or no po?
I think yes, oo. Syempre, basics yun eh. So, yun yung kailangan mong aralin para may apply mo sa patient mo. All of it helps, lalo na sa mga anatomy, Ayan, helpful talaga yan. Tsaka at the same time, yung mga assessment and evaluation. So, doon kayo mas mag-focus. Practicals dapat talaga.
Question number 8 po. Did your college grades or rating matter in the performance of your job or your success?
Somehow, yes. Parang hindi rin naman. Siguro yung grades, parang ikaw na lang sa sarili mo kasi confidence ka eh. Na, napasa ko to, ganyan, ganyan. Pero sa job naman, hindi naman nila titignan yung grades mo. Para ka i-hire. More on performance mo.
In question number 9 po, what other training or seminar programs did you attend to help you prepare professionally?
Recently, nag-seminar kami about mga dry needling, gano'n, dry cupping, mga bagong trend na treatment ngayon. So, yun yung mas sineminer namin. Kasi marami ng bagong modalities ngayon unlike before. So, I think yun yung mga kinuha namin. Dry needling, kinesio taping, mga gano'n.
Question number 10. Do you think a graduate degree is important in being successful in your chosen career?
Yes, syempre. Hindi ka naman magiging PT din naman kung hindi mo siya natapos. So, I think yun yung pinaka nagmamatter. At the same time, kapag kumuha ka rin ng license, kasi sa atin dito sa Philippines, we cannot practice if we don't have license. So, yun. Number 1 din siya talaga na kung gusto mo talaga i-take yung PT as your future work, then yes, definitely. That's important.
What inspires and motivates you as a physical therapist to work? What are your sources of fulfillment as a physical therapist?
Pagiging grateful ng mga patients sa'yo. Every time na sasabihin nila na, ganito, ang galing, hindi na masakit yung ganito ko, or nag-improve na yung ganito ko. So, parang yun yung, parang being a clinician, yun yung magiging fulfillment. Yung satisfaction ng patient sa'yo. So, yun yung mas nagiging drive mo to go forward or to continue yung job na ginagawa. So, yes.
Do you find your workload stressful? Do you still have time for recreation and your family?
Sa clinic, mas less toxic siya in terms of working environment. So, I don't think stress ako sa work ko. More on likely kasi mas okay siya kasi yung work, yung co-workers ko okay din. So, yun yung i-consider nyo rin. I have time for my family, but sometimes, syempre, working in a clinic, parang I have duty 6 days a week. I make time naman, if ever.
As a physical therapist, do you think you have achieved your goals or do you aspire for more?
Siguro na-achieve ko yung first goal ko, which is to work as a clinician. Pero syempre, we always aspire for more. Maraming pang pwedeng gawin as a PT. Pwede ka mag-work dito, pwede mo ituloy siya ng med school, pwede rin naman you work abroad. So, definitely, I have goals much higher sa kung ano ako ngayon.
Do you think makes a good physical therapist?
Siguro, yung skills mo as a PT. Kasi yun yung pinaka mag-help sa'yo para matulungan mo din yung patient mo. At the same time, yun nga, so I always said, always make good rapport to your patients because yun yung one way para makakonect ka sa kanila.
Can you say that the future physical therapists have a bright future ahead of them? Do you think that they'll be able to look for a deserving employment here in our country?
I must say 50-50. Hindi ko naman kayo discourage, pero be honest, ang healthcare sa Philippines natin is hindi naman ganun kaganda. Especially, I work in a hospital before. So, mas makikita mo talaga yung reality ko. Ano yan? So, I think, ikaw din, nasa person, kung pipili ka, kung ano yung mas kailangan mo. Kung mas gusto mo bang maging PT or may ibang responsibilities ka na dapat. Parang yun kasi yung realize ko after I graduated. Parang if you look for money, then PT is not the right work. Ayun, mas gusto ko pa rin, passion ko kasi talaga yung mag-treat. So, mas pinili ko yun. I mean, investment mo rin naman sa sarili yung experience. Lalo if you wanna go abroad, then.
If you were given an opportunity to work abroad, will you grab it or would you rather work here?
Syempre, practically, if you have opportunity to work abroad, why not, diba? Pwede ka naman bumalik anytime sa Philippines. Pero if you want to further practice your career, tapos mas magandang opportunity abroad, then why not? So, definitely, yes.
What are the current problems or issues do physical therapists face today. How about the healthcare industry?
Hindi talaga tayo well compensated dito sa country. And we hope, di ba, na ma-change yun. Na sana bigyan nila tayo ng time. And then, yung compensation na deserve natin. Kasi yung healthcare dito medyo talaga sa Philippines. Still developing. Pero, hoping pa rin tayo na magkaroon ng changes.
We discussed in the class the various issues and concerns that Filipinos face today regarding PT and the role of physical therapies play in resolving such issues. Do you consider such issues when you perform your job as a physical therapist?
Ano ba to? Yung masahista tayo? Actually, kahit nag-work lang kami ngayon, talagang akala nila massage parlor to. Pero ikaw sa PT, kailangan mo bigay yung patient education na talagang explain mo sa kanila the difference between the two. So, ayun, talaga mahalaga na i-educate mo yung patient mo kung ano talaga yung role mo. Doon mo makikita na talagang marami pa rin ang hindi alam ang PT. Lalo sa bansa natin. So, yeah, patient education and explanation kung ano talaga yung role.
As a physical therapist, what kind of help had you given to improve the lives of Filipinos?
Dito sa clinic namin, mas marami work-related injuries. Mga back pain, ganyan. Mga na-help namin sa kanila is to relieve that pain so that they can work efficiently. So, sa PT naman, parang ikaw mismo, may help mo sila na mag-recover. At the same time, matulungan mo sila na ibalik kung ano yung dati nilang state, physical.
What is your biggest contribution as a physical therapist to the society?
We help them improve in terms of physical. Yung siguro magiging contribute ng PD kasi tayo naman, marami tayong areas na nasasakop eh. Improve their mobility and their functional health.
What advice can you share with a student like us who intends to pursue a career in physical therapy?
Siyempre, number one, dapat gustong-gusto mo. Kasi kami, 5 years kami. So, yung 5 years na yun, mahirap siya. Lalo kung major year na kayo. So, yun, number one, gustong-gusto mo. At the same time, may passion ka to help people. Kasi yun yung magiging work mo eh. Reality. So, sa akin naman, maganda naman yung PT talaga. Kasi mas makikita mo yung role mo pag nag-intern ka. So, doon mo ma-realize na, okay naman pala siya. Maganda naman pala. So, sa students na nag-aaral pa rin ngayon, ayun, make sure na gusto mo yung ginagawa mo. Kasi yun na yung magiging future mo.
Thank you po, ma'am, for answering all the questions.